Hello friends, this is Bhaskar from College Finder. In this video, we are going to talk about private medical colleges in Andhra Pradesh. So, the topics which we will be covering is state summary, counseling, college highlight, college information, seat metrics, fee structure, cutoff, and expected cutoff for 2021. Friends, talking about state summary, so the counseling website for Andhra Pradesh is ntruhs.ap.nic.in and counseling body is NTRUHS Andhra Pradesh NEET UG. Eligibility basically NEET qualified is important, and counseling round is basically 4 round: round 1, round 2, mop up, and straight round in certain cases if the seats are vacant in the college level. Number of private colleges is 17, recognized is 15, and permitted is 2. Total number of seat is 2650. For category A, which is government, it's 1325. Category B, which is management, is 937, and category C, which is NRI seats, is 398. Average tuition fee is 12 lakhs for category B, and bank guarantee, yes, bank guarantee is applicable in private medical colleges in Andhra Pradesh. Let's see the college highlight. First college is Alluri Sitaram Raju Academy of Medical Science. Uh, Established in 1999, total number of seat is 150. It's a recognized college. PG courses are 20 and PG seat is 117. Then is your Apollo Institute of Medical Science and Research in Chittoor, established in 2015. Total number of seat is 150, recognized again. Here the PG courses are details are not available with us. Then we have Dr. PSI Medical College, established in 2002. Total number of seats 150, again recognized college. PG courses are 90 and PG seat is 105. Then we have Fatima Institute of Medical Science, established in 2010. Total number of seats is 100, recognized college. Total number of PG courses is 6 and PG seats are 25. Then we have Great Eastern Medical Science and Hospital, established in 2010. Total number of seats 150, recognized college. PG courses are 18 and PG seat is 89. The next one is GSL Medical College, Rajamundry, established in 2002. Total number of seats is 200. It's again a recognized college. Uh, PG courses are 20 and PG seat is 107. Then we have Katuri Medical College in Guntur, established in 2002. Total number of seats is 150, recognized college. PG courses are 16 and PG seat is 83. Then we have Konasima Institute of Medical Science and Research Foundation, established in 2005. Total number of seat is 150, recognized college. PG courses are 18 and PG seat is 66. Next college is Maharaja Institute of Medical Science, established in 2002. Total number of seat is 150, recognized college. PG courses are 70 and PG seat is 94. Then we have Narayana Medical College, Nellore, established in 2000. PG seat here is 195, PG courses are 22. Total number of seat for MBBS is 250 and it's a recognized college. Next is Nirma Institute of Medical Science, established in 2016. Total number of seat is 150. It's a permitted college and PG courses are not available here. Then we have NRI Institute of Medical Science in Vizag, established in 2012. Total number of seat is 150, recognized college. PG courses are 16 and PG seat is 66. Next is NRI Medical College in Guntur, established in 2003. Total number of seat is 200. It's a recognized college. And total number of PG courses is 22 and total number of PG seats is 111. Then we have PES Institute of Medical Science and Research, established in 2001. Total number of seats is 150 for MBBS. It's a recognized college. PG courses are 19 and PG seat is 99. Then we have Santina Medical College, established in 2005. Total number of seat is 100, recognized college. PG courses are 19 and PG seat is 51. Then we have Vishwabharati Medical College in Kurnool, established in 2014. Total number of seat is 150, recognized college again. PG courses are 12, PG seat is 42. Then we have Gayatri Vidya Parishad Institute in Vizag, established in 2016. Total number of seat is 150. It's a permitted college and PG courses are not available here. Friends, now let's see at the seat metrics for Andhra Pradesh Private Medical College. For Aluri, its total intake is 150. For category A, it is 128, and for category B, it is 22. For Apollo, again, it is 150. For category A, 128, and category B, 22. PSI, 150 again, and for category A, it is 128, and category B, it is 22. For Fatima, it's 100 total intake. 85 is for category A and 15 is for category B. Uh, Great Eastern, it's 150. For category A, it is 128, and category B, it is 22. GSL, it is 200. For category A, 170, and for category B, it's 30. Uh, Katuri is 150. For category A, it is 128, and for category B, it is 22. Konasima, it is 150. For category A, 128, and category B, it is 22. Friends, also remember category C is also there, which will come out from these categories only. That is your NRI seats. Next college is Maharaja. Total intake is 150. For category A, 128, and for category B, 22. Then we have Narayana, 250. For category A, 213. Category B, 37. Next is Nirma. The total intake is 150. For category A, 128, and category B, it is 22. Then we have NRI Vizag. Total intake 150. For category A, it is 128, and category B, it is 22. Next is NRI Guntur. For total intake is 200. For category A, it is 170, and for category B, it is 30. Then we have PES. Total intake is 150. For category A, it is 128, and category B, it is 22. Then we have Shantiram. Total intake is 100. For category A, it is 85, and for category B, it is 15. Then we have Vishwabharati Medical College. Total intake is 150. For category A, it is 128. Category B, it is 22. Then we have Gayatri Vidya. Total intake is 150. For category A, it is 128, and for category B, it is 22. Friends, also remember there is a category C also for NRI, which will come out of these categories only. Friends, there is a seat reservation in category A also, which is primarily a state quota seat. So it is divided like for SC candidate, it is 15%, ST candidate, it is 6%, EWS candidate, it is 15%, and OBC candidate, it's 6%. Now, this OB candidates are further divided into 5 more categories. So you will have to keep in factor if you are applying for category A reservation seat. If we talk about fee structure, it's almost similar across the private medical colleges in Andhra Pradesh. Basically, for category A, it is 11.5 thousand. The tuition fee for category B, which is your management quota seat, it is 12 lakhs, and for category NRI seat, it is 31.5 lakhs. So only changes will happen in your miscellaneous charges and hostel charges. Otherwise, more or less, the fee structure is similar across private medical colleges in Andhra Pradesh. Friends, here also if you can see, for each category, fee is same for all the colleges. For category A, it is basically 11.5 thousand. For category B, it is 12 lakhs, and for category C, NRI quota, it is 31.5 lakhs. The only variation here will come in terms of your hostel charges and miscellaneous charges, which you will get to know at the college level. Friends, in this part, we would be looking at the cutoffs for category B seats in private medical colleges in Andhra Pradesh. We would be discussing only category B, which is management seat. In this, we will be looking at what was the cutoff in 2019, what was the cutoff last year in 2020, and what will be the expected cutoff as per our analysis for 2021. And it will give you a fair bit of idea. According to your score, you can analyze which college will be best suited for you. First college which we have is Aluri. In 19 it was 416, in 20 it was 447. This year, as per our analysis, it will be in the range of 445 to 455. Then we have Dr. PSI Medical College. In 19 the cutoff was 387. In 20 the cutoff was 408, and this year expected cutoff will be in the range of 400 to 410. Next is Great Eastern Medical School and Hospital. In 19 the cutoff was 334. In 20 the cutoff was 364, so it has gone up. Expected cutoff for this year, it should be within the range of 360 to 370. Then is Apollo. In 19 the cutoff was 360. In 20, the cutoff was 389, and this year what we are expecting, it should be between the range of 365 to 385. Then you have Fatima. In 19, the cutoff was 113, which was really low. In 20, the cutoff was 186. Expected cutoff for this year, it would be between 170 to 180. Then we have GSL Medical College. The cutoff for 19 was 381 and cutoff for 20 was 389. This year what we are expecting, it would be between 385 to 390. Next college is Katuri Medical College. At 19 the cutoff was 368, at 20 the cutoff was 417. This year what we are expecting, it should be between the range of 420 to 425. Then we have Maharaja. 19 the cutoff was 340, 20 the cutoff was 368, and this year we are expecting it should be between the range of 375 to 380. Then we have Nirma. 19 cutoff was 114, 20 the cutoff was 184, and this year what we are expecting is 180 to 200 range the cutoff will fall. Then we have Konasima. 19 the cutoff was 357, 20 the cutoff was 370, and this year we are expecting it should be between the range of 375 to 380. Then we have Narayana Medical College. 19 the cutoff was 407, 20 the cutoff had gone drastically up 444, and this year what we are expecting, it should be between the range of 435 to 440. Then we have NRI in Vizag. Cutoff for 19 was 341, cutoff for 20 was 369, and this year what we are expecting, it should be between 360 to 365. Our next college is NRI Guntur. 19 cutoff was 445 and 20 cutoff was 497. Expected cutoff for this year, it would be between 480 to 485. Then we have Shantiram. Cutoff for 19 was 334, cutoff for 20 was 405, and this year we are expecting it should be between 390 to 400. Then we have Gayatri Vidya Parishad. 19 cutoff was 324, 20 cutoff was 364, and this year we are expecting it should be between 340 to 350 range. Then we have PES. Cutoff for 19 was 356, cutoff for 20 was 385. Expected this year it would be around 400 to 410. Then we have Vishwa Bharati. Cutoff for 19 was 320, cutoff for 20 was 362. Expected this year it would be between 340 to 350. Friends, we give this range factored on various parameters depending on how many students have applied and what has been the college progress and all. So accordingly, our analysis, we come to this conclusion. Friends, this was our video on private medical colleges in Andhra Pradesh. Hopefully this video will help you out in your college selection. We also have our paid service, which is specially designed for you for better seat allocation. So your chances of getting seat improves if you get associated with us on a paid subscription model, because we factor in various parameters like your score, your budget, and accordingly we do a deep research on the colleges which are best suited for you. So friends, if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much guys. Best of luck.